Hey folks, Steve Lancaster here. I'm going to show you a doozy of a card trick. That's right. It's a doozy. Now, first of all, I have to have you select a card. Oh, let me show you something first though. See, all the cards are fairly mixed. You get a free choice of any card. Let me mix up the cards a little bit. Okay, that should work out. Now, what I'm going to do is riffle the cards like this, and when I do, I want you to say stop, okay? Oh, I won't be able to hear you. I tell you what, just think it. Think. Don't say it. Just go. Now, that's it. Stop. Just mentally do that. All right. And I will pick it up because I'm good at this. I've had a lot of practice. Okay. I am a professional. So watch. I'll riffle the cards like this. Just say stop. Ooh, wow. I felt that. Oh, thank you. That was good for me. So I want you to look at the card. Don't forget it. Got it? Don't forget the card. Okay. Now, what I'm going to do is place your card. Well, let's do it like this. Let's be fair about it. Cut the cards. Put them right here. All right. And now I'm going to find your card instantly. Well, not instantly. I'll just cut to your card. Because, see, that's the first trick you learn as a magician. The pick a card trick. That's right. You've heard of it. Yeah, you're just experiencing it right now. So I had you pick a card, put in the middle of the pack, and then I just cut the pack, and I hopefully find your card, which, was it the 3 of clubs? Was it? Oh, good. I'm glad. Now, watch. A professional would do this, though. One step further, maybe 12 steps. I don't know. So we go like this. We place the card in the middle of the pack, right? Close up the pack. Set the pack down. And now what the secret squirrel thing is, you just snap the fingers twice. And I'm instantly able to find your card. That's right. What do you mean you don't believe me? Yeah. Well, in fact, I'll tell you what I'll do. I'll show you how I find the card so easy. You're not going to believe it. But before I do that, you have to take the oath. That's right. So repeat after me. I state your name. Yeah, I know. Some of you said state my name. I know. Say your real name. When I say your real name, promise not to tell the secret of the doozy deck. All right? You promise? Okay? So look, the secret is this. Is you just simply make the cards all blank. That's what I do when I snap the fingers and make them all blank, okay? And here, let me show you what. Let me see if I can find your card, because see, they're all blank. Oh, except for your card, the 3 of clubs. Yes. Wow. I'm impressed. I don't know about you, but that's pretty good. That's pretty cool how all cards go blank. And what? Oh, they were all different cards and now they're blank. How does that happen? I can't tell you that, see, because again, that's the secret squirrel stuff. It's actually all in the snap. Yeah, which you have to go to Magic Snap School to learn to do this. So if I snap 3 times, watch. Then everything is right back to where we started, and we have a regular deck of cards. And that, my friend, is what I call a doozy of a card trick. Yeah, enjoy the doozy. Bye today.